All right, so I've been doing some brush cutting in here, continuing to try to take back this creek. And from the brush and the bamboo is what's so prevalent in here, and it's really hard to brush cut because when you do the brush cutter, it just kind of wants to. Oh, that's a red leaf. Thought that was litter. The brush cutter wants to just kind of slide up the bamboo unless you hit it just right. But as I've got in here, see, I wasn't even able to access this area before because it was just so thick. You can see the bamboo, but it's hard to try to get it down toward the very bottom. But man, it's hard, and you can see that sticking up, almost like little booby traps tripping over them. You wouldn't want to come through here barefoot. I'm not sure what we're going to do about that, because that's probably going to want to sprout again. I'll tell you what I may do is get in here. If I can get this cleared enough, get in here with Johnny Walker, or kind of almost like that's what we call Johnny Walker. It's a self-propelled walk behind bush hog, basically. I think getting here, that might help, but this is going to be a constant battle. But this, oh boy, this tree. Okay, this is it. I hate litter. We had that big rain, and I don't know that anybody littered or threw this out on the side of this road, but they for sure didn't have their waste secure, and it's I don't know, wind blew it and it ended up getting in the creek and washing down onto the property here. And then this big fallen tree basically acts like a filter, and it grabbed, or it caught a bunch of the stuff. So let's see here. We got all kinds of goodies. And there's probably all kinds of stuff trapped under this stuff. We'll get what we can. What is that, True Moo? We'll get what we can. And then I guess another rain, it will expose itself. Starbucks. Wine bottles. Little single serving wine bottles, looks like. And yellow, who knows? Mountain Dew, Sprite, Sierra Mist. When I was a kid, I don't even know if they still make this. They used to, of course, glass bottles. There was a drink, it was like a Sprite called Kick. It had a picture of a mule on the front of it. I always like to drink those. Oh boy, look at that light bulb. I do not want to bust that light bulb. So my son likes to walk in this creek barefoot sometimes. But anyway, a little cleanup. A lot of cleanup. And hopefully get this looking better. There's stuff over there too. I really need to put my waders on and get in there. But if we don't pick it up here, it looks trashy anyway right here on the farm. But if we don't pick it up, then it's just going to wash down to somebody else's property. And we want to try to take care of the land, be good stewards of it. God's blessed us with it, and we certainly want to try to keep it as beautiful as we can.